I'm currently going to my lecture, which starts at 1:30, and then I've got another one at 5. So I am almost at the university. It's raining really bad and I'm really wet, so yeah, but at least it's fun, because otherwise I would have stayed at home doing everything from bed, and now I have the opportunity to get a little bit wet today and just take the advantage of walking around, no people around me, just me taking vlogs. So this is basically my view from the classrooms. So I finished all the lectures for today. That was my penultimate lecture, so there was just one more before the exam, and it's quite exciting. Funny enough, today was one of the days when I met so many people of my course, amazing people, and I'm just so regretful for the fact that we are doing almost all of our lectures online and I cannot meet them or work with them on a daily basis. But I guess that is going to change. At least I hope it's going to change, because I feel better when I work with people. Right. That might possibly be my future car, actually, white Tesla. So unfortunately it started raining again. As if it wasn't enough when I was going to the university. Anyways, I'm used to this. I was just about to break my umbrella, by the way. So this is the place where I live in. Overall, guys, that was like a typical Monday. And generally when I'm walking, I would either listen to French podcasts or, to improve my French, or I would think about interesting topics, because I'm overthinking usually. So today I was kind of interested in just thinking about my position in Netherlands as a European citizen who has some kind of intention to stay here one day. I'm just imagining how the world is so different from what it was before. Because before all the European Union and the development of international law, it wasn't really possible to travel or establish yourself or set up your life in another country. I'm thinking like how some people are so lucky to be born in rich countries, but equally the fact that I was born in a developing country as Bulgaria gives me the opportunity to kind of appreciate my origin and appreciate the opportunities which I have in front of me now on a worldwide basis. And this is what I'm really happy with. I'm equally thinking, well, there are still people who are not European citizens and who are from third world countries who came here to the Netherlands or to another developed country and are trying to establish themselves, fighting all the challenges. Because trust me, there are a lot of visa challenges, a lot of procedural challenges, and there's so much to comply with. So I'm just so happy that there aren't these people who are ready to challenge the system and find their dream living place. like my hair is really big now because of the rain. Hello. We have a very nice lift here, which is very comfortable, although I'm living on the 3rd floor, but now I'm just so I'm just really tired. It's very interesting how the whole weather changes. Like literally last week it was light, there was light outside at that time. Now it's like 8 o'clock. And as a final conclusion, I would just like to mention that we started lectures today at 9:30, and now it's almost 9 in the evening and I still have things to do. Let me just finish my vlog at this pretty light because I like it. My hair is really bad now. I just got a message. Anyway, so check it later. I just wanted to say that it was a very, very long day. But I like it. I like it when it's busy because I feel productive. And I will join my room now. Basically, my pillow, my bed, my office. Because I think I miss it already. Kidding. And, so overall, this was my vlog for today. I was very interested in showing you around my way to university, and I hope you enjoyed it.